Hello and welcome to another video tutorial for Paramics Discovery 22. My name is Malcolm and today we're going to be looking at a new feature which is designed to save you time and to make your life much easier. And the feature is all to do with the formatting of links in CSV outputs and making those more compatible with Excel. So let's collect a link output first of all, and we'll see what's currently collected, and then we'll look at how we've improved it. So I'm collecting link counts in a CSV format, and I'll just run this model for about 30 minutes just so we can see the format. So over this short period it should run through very quickly, and that's it completed. Let's have a look at the link output which it has produced. So in my log folder, I've got a CSV file called turn counts links, and when I click on that, it will automatically open in Excel. Now, when I have a look at column D, the link format, I can see that there's a range of different formats. Some of them come in correctly. Whenever there's a letter in the link name, that will happen. We've also got some that are coming in with multiple decimal places, and others which are formatted as time. And the reason for this is because in the Paramics Discovery model, the link is separated by a colon, and that's often interpreted in different ways in Excel. Let's have a look at another file. This is in the matrix estimation part of Paramics Discovery, and I'm just generating a survey data template here, and we're going to have a look at that format. So again, it's a CSV file opening in Excel. And I can see in this file, similar to the last one, that I've got a range of different formats for my links. So some are dates and times, others look fine, and others are multiple decimal places. Okay, so that's how things are done currently. Now let's have a look at what we've done to improve the situation. So the new feature is the ability to change the format of the CSV output, and we do that in model settings. You can see at the bottom of this dialog we've got two options now: a single colon, which is what we've had in Paramics Discovery so far, and the new aspect is the double colon, which is going to be much more compatible with Excel. So I've just toggled that onto double colon and save the model. We'll now collect the same output file and see the difference. I'll also go to my matrix estimation dialog and generate my survey template again, and we'll have a look at the difference in that. So we'll just replace the one that's there. Okay, so let's have a look at those files. The survey data template, first of all, opening that in Excel, and I can now see that the links are all in the same format, and they've got this double colon in between the two node names. So I no longer will get any multiple decimal places or the times or dates coming in. And I'll have a look at my turn counts links CSV and see the format that's in there. And again, as I look down the link names, I can see that the format is consistent throughout. So now with this consistent format, it's going to be much easier for you to work with these outputs once you get them into Excel. So far we've been working with an existing model in this video tutorial, and I'd like to just show you quickly what you get when you create a new model. And I'm also going to show you a new dialog here, which is just to speed things up ever so slightly when creating a new model. And that's the ability to set the side of the road and the speed used in miles per hour or kilometers per hour. So we do that and click OK, and that will create our new model. Now within here, we're going to go to the model settings dialog and have a look at the CSV format. And what I can see here is that in new models, it's the double colon that's used as default. So the single colon will be retained in existing models unless you change it, and you get the double colon by default in new models. I hope you found this video tutorial interesting, and this new feature will be useful for you in saving you time and effort when you're working with link outputs. We've got another video tutorial coming next week, and we look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.